guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we're gonna play a game called Save the Girl. We're gonna complete it. We stand on level 42, so today we're gonna complete it. Okay, let's start. This is a nice picnic. It's her picnic, okay? And there is ants. So what she can do? Actually, there's food. So if we use okay, let me use this. Oh my god, really? Really? I hate the rain. Actually, guys, if we use the umbrella, the water will get wet, the food will get wet. So, okay, let me choose this. Actually, I don't know what it will... Really? What happened? Oh my god, okay. They're crazy. A wolf. What she can do... Okay, I think the wolf... The wood will not help the wolf in anything, will not help us. The wood will not help us to keep the wolf away, so I think maybe this. I don't know what is this actually. Really? Okay, fine, we save the girl. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get this one. Fine, I get it. Okay, now let's see another thing to wear. Okay, why not this? Let's wear this. And here, her hair. I like her hair so much. And let's wear this. Fine, okay. Now let's start. Oh my god. I think this... Because they use it always. Fine. Apples. So what she can do, get from the box or from the tree? Maybe from the box better, from the tree. Okay, nothing happened. Because maybe the box, there's something on it. I don't know. Okay, what we can do over here? Okay, I don't know, maybe the grasshopper? Okay, fine. Fine, and we save the girl. Okay, fine, now let's go for the second one. Look, a hot air balloon, what she can do. Okay, I think the scissor. Fine. Oh, there's a bird. Okay, maybe the bread. Fine, okay. Okay, what she can do? This. Fine, okay. And we save the girl. It was very easy. Okay, fine, now let's go for the second one. Okay, fine guys, I think this one. Fine, okay. Now here, what should I get to eat? I think some popcorn. Oh my god. How? Okay, let's try again. Okay, fine, let's try again. Okay. Give him some carrots. Okay, let me see this. Fine, but this is not so yummy. Okay. Oh my god, a snake. What she can do? What is this? Really? Okay, fine, we save the girl. Fine, okay, here I can take another thing. Okay, no, leave it in another time. Now, okay, let's start. Oh, here again there's a thief. I have to stop this creepy guy. Okay, give him money. Okay. Actually, I didn't understand what is this, but let us try again. Fine, okay, let me see. Okay, what is this? Really? Okay. What you can do? Maybe this? No. Actually, I didn't understand what you have to do, but okay. Fine, okay, let's go. Say this one first. And then, okay, let me try this one. Really? Okay. How do I open this door? Spanish? For what? Really? This game is weird. Okay. Fine, okay, now, next. Oh my god. Really? I thought it was parachute. Okay, again. Really? That bird looks crazy. What she can do? Meat? Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, let's try again. Very funny. Okay, fine. Now, let me try again. Okay, you say it first, this one. And then, I don't know what it will do, but okay. Really? Oh my god. An alien. Who bring the alien here? Okay, let me choose this. Oh my god, okay. Fine, let me save the girl. Now let's go for the next one. Fine. This game is very crazy. Oh my god. Okay. Horrible. He's stuck. I need to save him. Okay, maybe this. Fine. Good luck. And here there's a fire. What we can do, maybe this. Really? Really? Okay, I don't know actually why I choose it, but fine. And here, what she can do. Okay, let me try the rat. If it's not, it's okay. Really? How? Oh my god. Fine, okay, here. Wow, okay, let's get it. Okay, fine. Wow, it looks so good. I like it. Let's see if we have another thing. Okay, I don't know. Let's get this pink one. It looks cute. Fine, guys, I get it and I like it so much. Okay, now let's complete. Okay, oh my god, what you can do? I think the fan. Okay, good. The volcano, it's so hot. Sure, some ice. What? Okay. I use Draken and Dragon. Okay, what the mask will do? How? How actually she can wear it to the dragon? Fine. Okay, now next. Okay, here, so thirsty. What you can do, maybe this. Fine, okay. There is a bath there, so what you can do, I think the rats again. Oh my god, okay. I know this game is so crazy. What you can do, the fire. Okay, I'm saved now. Fine. Okay, fine, we saved her. Okay, fine, now, last time. Okay. She needs to go down. So what you have to choose, I don't know. Maybe this? Ew! What is this? Okay, I think this one. Fine. Oh my god, what you can do? Maybe this? Fine. Okay, and we finally save her. So guys, like this we finished our video. Don't forget to make like, share and subscribe, and also inshallah tomorrow it will be the first day for Eid, so I will make for you a video so I can show you my Eid decorations. Okay, so see you, bye.